Today, we're unlocking the secrets of passive income, ways you can earn money online without constant effort. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes, but real strategies that let you work smarter, not harder. We'll cover 7 lazy ways to make money online, requiring minimal input once set up. Whether you're saving for something special, want a steady side income, or dream of financial freedom, these methods can help. So, grab a seat and let's dive in. 1. Create a YouTube channel with evergreen content. YouTube offers incredible passive income potential, especially if you focus on evergreen content, topics that remain relevant for years. Think how-to guides, educational videos, or timeless tips like 10 ways to stay productive. Unlike trendy topics, evergreen videos keep bringing in views and revenue long after they're uploaded. Here's how to get started. Choose a niche you're passionate about or knowledgeable in, like fitness, cooking, or tech. Create videos optimized for search by researching keywords with tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ. Once uploaded, YouTube's algorithm works its magic, pushing your content to new viewers. Revenue streams include ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. And the best part? Once a video gains traction, it requires almost no ongoing work. Imagine earning money every time someone clicks play on a video you uploaded years ago. 2. Invest in dividend stocks or REITs. Dividend stocks and real estate investment trusts, IREITs, are financial assets that pay you just for holding them. When you invest in dividend stocks, you're essentially buying a piece of a company that shares a portion of its profits with investors. REITs work similarly, but focus on real estate properties. For example, companies like Coca-Cola or Procter & Gamble are known for stable, consistent dividend payouts. REITs, such as Realty Income, pay dividends monthly, often providing higher yields than regular stocks. To get started, use platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Vanguard to purchase shares. Once you've invested, dividends are paid automatically, quarterly or even monthly, straight into your account. With enough shares, this can create a steady stream of income without additional effort. 3. Sell digital products on platforms. Like Gumroad or Etsy, creating a digital product is a fantastic way to earn passive income. Unlike physical goods, digital products require no inventory or shipping. Examples include ebooks. Write about a topic you're passionate about, like fitness tips or productivity hacks. Templates, design tools for social media posts, resumes, or planners. Online courses. Share your expertise in areas like graphic design, coding, or writing. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Teachable handle the heavy lifting by hosting your product and processing payments. Once your product is live, customers can buy and download it instantly. The initial effort of creating the product pays off as it continues to generate sales over time. 4. Affiliate marketing with a niche blog. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to earn online. You earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase using your referral link. But to make it passive, you need a blog with well-researched, evergreen content. Here's how to start. Pick a niche you love, like tech gadgets, fitness gear, or travel. Write helpful, SEO-optimized blog posts like Top 10 Fitness Gadgets for 2024. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale to get custom links for products. When readers click on these links and make a purchase, you get a cut. Over time, as your blog ranks higher on Google, you'll earn commissions without actively promoting anything. 5. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer, P2P. Lending platforms like Lending Club and Prosper connect you with borrowers who need small loans. You act as the lender, and in return, you earn interest on the money you've lent. Here's how it works. Deposit money into a P2P platform. Choose borrowers to fund based on their credit profiles and repayment history. Sit back as the platform collects monthly payments, including your interest. P2P lending carries some risk, but diversifying across multiple borrowers can minimize it. With little involvement after the initial setup, it's a low-maintenance way to grow your wealth. 6. Licensing your photos or music. If you're creative, licensing your work can turn your passion into passive income. Photographers can upload high-quality images to platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images. Similarly, musicians can license their tracks through sites like Audio Jungle or Pond 5. How it works. Upload your portfolio to a licensing platform. Specify usage rights and pricing. Each time someone downloads your work, you earn a royalty. This method is especially lucrative for content creators and marketers who need stock images or background music. Once your portfolio is online, it can generate revenue for years with no additional input. 7. Rent out stuff you already own. Why let your belongings sit idle when they could earn you money? Platforms like Airbnb, Turo, and Fat Llama make it easy to rent out everything from your spare room to your car or even camera equipment. Here's how to get started. List your item or space on a rental platform. Set your rates and availability. Use automated booking features to minimize the need for active involvement. 7 incredibly effective, low-effort ways to generate passive income online. Each method we've discussed offers unique opportunities to earn money without requiring a constant grind. Whether you're diving into creating evergreen YouTube content, monetizing your blog with affiliate marketing, renting out assets you already own, or investing in dividend stocks, the common thread is this. Set it up once and let it work for you. But let's be real. Passive income isn't 100% set it and forget it. It requires some initial effort, whether it's building a blog, creating a digital product, or even doing research for stock investments. That said, the beauty of these strategies is that once the foundational work is done, you can step back and watch the systems generate revenue with minimal ongoing input. Think about it like planting a tree. In the beginning, you need to dig, water, and nurture it. But once it's rooted and starts growing, it gives back for years, providing shade, fruits, and value without requiring the same level of effort. Passive income works in a similar way, and it can be life-changing if approached correctly. So, why does this matter? It's not just about earning more money. It's about freedom. Financial freedom means having the time to do what you love without worrying about the next paycheck. It could mean spending more time with your family, traveling, pursuing your hobbies, or even starting a passion project that you've been putting off. Now, let's address the skeptics. Some of you might think, can these methods really work for me? The answer is yes, but only if you take the first step. No one becomes successful overnight, and no income stream is built without some degree of commitment. The key is consistency and patience. Even the most lazy methods require discipline at the start, but the payoff is worth it. Here's a quick recap. If you love creating, start a YouTube channel or sell digital products. If you have spare cash, let it grow passively with dividend stocks or P2P lending. Got assets sitting around? Rent them out and turn them into income streams. If writing is your strength, monetize a blog with affiliate marketing. For photographers or musicians, licensing your work can create a constant flow of royalties. Remember, you don't have to master all of these methods at once. Start with one that resonates with you the most. Focus on setting it up properly, learn from your experience, and scale it over time. The sooner you begin, the sooner you'll see results. Tap the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future uploads.